And I'm just going to add the final bits on here. There you go, there's a buzz. And I've managed to do all these drops so far without anything breaking. Oh, this is way out. I can't talk, I'll just have to be quiet. Here we go. We've done this for the shop to show what we're all about. And my biggest challenge is getting this down from here into the shop without anything breaking. If it does break, I'll get over it, because the challenge really is the fact that I've had to go doing it, I guess, if that makes sense. So consistency wise, royal icing, a few people have asked about what consistency do I use this at. And like we've said on other videos, you'll see the consistency there. See how far I can stretch the royal icing. So keep practicing and have a go at using it at different consistencies. And wish me luck getting this down into the shop.